Hey everybody, Joe Valerio, President of BLP Racing Products here in Orlando, Florida. We just wanted to kind of invite you to some of the new things we have coming up in 2025. We're going to bring you into the shop and kind of let you see the machining processes, the deburr process, the quality inspection process, the design, just to bring you in and introduce you to the staff and the people that really make BLP what it is here today. We're also going to bring you into our racing series that we have become very popular at Orlando Speed World here as of late. Our Elite 16 and our Quick 32 series that we hold every year. And we're going to go out and interview the drivers and go out and bring them in parts, take videos of the cars, kind of introduce it, and also go out to the track tests that we have for our customers, all that, and kind of show you some of the testing processes that we use and introduce you to everybody. So we look forward to seeing you. Please stick around, and we hope you'll enjoy this series. Thank you.